Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 1.3. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. So let's look at the first one. The set that is given in the left side is A, B. It's given as not a subset of B, C, A. So let's examine this. All the elements that are present in the left side are also there on the right side. So actually the left set A, B is a proper subset of B, C and A because A and B is already there. So this side A, B and there is an extra element C. So this means actually A and B is a subset of this. So this statement that is given to us is going to be equal to false. Okay, so I'm just writing out the value now. Now let's take up the second case. A, E is a subset of X is a vowel in the English alphabet. So let's list all the vowels in the English alphabet. It is going to be A, E, I, O, U. So if you see, the left set is A and E. It is given as a subset of the set A, E, I, O, U. So whatever they have given is actually true. So in the second statement, it is going to be equal to true. Now let's take up the third case. In the third case, the set here is 1, 2 and 3, whereas in the right side, it is 1, 3 and 5. In the right set, these two values are entirely missing. That means the left set cannot be a proper subset of the right one. So in this case, the statement that they have given here is going to be equal to false. So we will mark this as false. Now let's move on to the fourth case. The set element A is a subset of A, B, C. So here you have A here as well. So this means A is going to be a subset of this set A, B and C. So the statement that they have given is actually true. So I'm marking this as true. Now let's take the next one. The element A belongs to, then there is going to be A, B, C. So this is going to be an element A that belongs to A, B and C. This set also has an element A, therefore it is going to belong to. But if you write it in the set style, actually this is going to be A. It is not just A, it is a set A. Now if you have elements A, B and C, A is just an element. It is not marked as a set inside this particular set. So in the next case, I'm going to write this statement as false. So if I have to write like this A belongs to, I should have actually written as A belongs to A, B, C. So only then it is a right statement. So now let's move on to the sixth one. X is an even natural number less than 6. And in the right side, X is a natural number which divides 36. So first let's write all the elements for the left side. Even natural number. Natural number will be obviously greater than 0. Since it's even numbers less than 6, I'm going to have 2 and 4. Less than 6, so 6 is not inclusive. Now in the right side, X is a natural number which divides 36. So again 0 is not inclusive. 1 divides 36, 2 divides 36, 3 divides, 4 divides, 6, 12. Then there is going to be a 8. So there is a 9 that I missed. Then there is 12. Then there is going to be 18 and then that is 36. So if you compare 2, 4 are elements of a set which is going to be a subset for this. So in the last statement, it is going to be equal to true. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.